Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things about life that includes everything that affects us on a regular basis, and one of those things is getting our nails done. The time it takes, the cost it takes is ridiculous. I can't do it. I got children at home and I don't want to pay to have a babysitter come over and watch my kids so that I can go pay to have my nails done. So I found a way to do it at home, fast, convenient, easy, and affordable. So if you want to know what that is, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so I've been doing dip powder nails for a little over a year now, and I just do it myself. And it takes about an hour at home, and there is kind of a learning curve on how to kind of perfect it, but I think I've done a pretty good job of getting that perfected, and I do have a video on how I do it. I'll put that in the description box or link it in the cards or something to where you can find it, and kind of how I do it. Because when you go into a salon, if you're doing the dip powder, they put the cotton balls on your fingers and they wrap it up with foil, and then you sit there and then they wipe it off, and kind of doing that on yourself one-handed is a little difficult. So I actually do just soak my hands in a bowl, and one of my viewers said put a paper towel in the bottom of that, fold it up, and then you can kind of rub it against that to get the old stuff off. Genius. So I do that now, and I take it off that way. I just sit there for 10 minutes watching Netflix, rub it all off, it comes off. That's about the longest part of the process. After that, you're just dipping, brushing it off, dipping, brushing it off, and then filing it down, and you're good to go. So a company called Sparkle & Co. contacted me and asked if they could send me a PR package, an example of one of their subscription boxes, for an honest review. So I am not being paid, this is not sponsored, but they did send this to me in the mail for free, and I said sure, I would review it. I would try out one of those colors and see how they compare to the stuff I normally buy, which is the red carpet or the Kiara Sky, and kind of see how it compares and what I thought about the colors. So they sent me the July box. I will have the website in the description box below so that you can check out those different subscription boxes if you're interested in possibly getting these. So the way that it comes, let me just show you. It's just like a Sephora Play or a BoxyCharm, something like that. Comes just like that. And the one that I got was the July package, which is this super cute little beach bag. It's got the mesh part here and then a bottom zipper part under here. Super, super cute. It has a little flamingo keychain on it. This thing right here with this little bag that your stuff comes in. Super, super cute. And in it came 3 different colors, which all match this color scheme, the flamingo color scheme on the bag. So there's this one super light pink color, which I'm actually wearing today. And then there is a super bright, fun pink that is perfect for summer. And then also this turquoise one that is very sparkly. Love it. They all match the bag. It's adorable. They also sent me 3 different fake nails so that you can see the colors and what they actually look like when they are put on the finger. I think that's kind of a cool option, because sometimes when you're looking at these guys, it doesn't exactly show up on your nails the way that it looks in here. For instance, this does not come with this. This is the Kiara Sky one. This color right here looks like a kind of turquoisey, seafoam, dark green. It actually comes out midnight blue. And I thought they had sent me the wrong color. It's called Midnight in Paris. I thought they had sent me the wrong color because it's a totally light blue in here. And when it's on your fingers, it's super dark, like navy blue. So this is a really cool option. The reason I'm including this is to kind of show you the size difference on, like these ones are about 13 bucks a piece on Amazon, and these are much, much smaller. Okay, so you're getting much smaller sizes here. However, I mean, this would last you forever, and these would actually still last you a really long time, I think, and you're getting 3 of them. So it's definitely enough and worth it to try out these colors, and then you can always buy more. I love all 3 of these colors. I put it on. I've been wearing it for several days now. They haven't chipped, they haven't cracked. I do put on about 3 layers myself because I have really weak nails normally, and so I need a little bit of the thickness just to make sure that they don't crack. If I only do 2, they're probably gonna crack. So love the colors. And then you don't always get these 3 nail polishes in each month because you don't always need them. So this is the base coat that you put on before each dip, and then you put this one on after you're done with the dipping, and then this is your glossy top coat. It does take 2 of these to get an actual glossy top coat, because when you only put on 1, it's still pretty dull, but that's typical with all of these that I have found. There's also instructions on how to do it. They do have a gel version if you do gel nails. I don't, so I don't know anything about those, but they do have that if you're interested in doing gel nail subscriptions or even just buying from them. And there is the dip powder instructions on one side and the gel ones on the other, and it's a step-by-step. And one of the most genius things that I did not know about that this instruction booklet had was that my old Kiara Sky ones of these, I couldn't even get them open because they were all stuck in here, all kind of gunked up under here. And they said if before you put this away, just take a paper towel and the acetone nail polish remover and just kind of wipe it down before you put the cap on, it will stop that from getting all gunked up in there and stopping that. Like, I actually had to use pliers to get my other one off. And so that is a genius tip. If you do dip powder and you use these things, wipe it down with acetone before you put the cap on and you'll be good to go. So I overall really enjoy this. I think you get 3 colors that maybe you wouldn't have purchased on your own to try out. They're good sizes for trying out. And it's kind of fun to get something new every month, and I think it's definitely worth checking it out. So if you want to check it out, I will have it linked in the description box below. Also, if you want to just try a single color or a single gel or a single product, I have a coupon code for you. It is Heather15, and you can go on their website and get 15% off your purchase. Now, this does not go for a subscription box, the 15% off. It's just a single item or a single purchase. So I really like it. I think it's a great option for a subscription box if that's your thing. And I think I might actually get one of these subscription boxes myself. So on their website in August, there are subscription signups to be able to get the August package that comes this month. So check that out in the description box below and get 15% off of something by putting in Heather15. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.